Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Let's keep the eyes closed, join hands at back of the body. You can interlock the fingers. Bow down to the Mother Supreme Earth. Raise both hands up toward the ceiling. Inhale, come back up. Rub the palms against each other. Make them warm, generate urja. Let the warm hands all over the face and eyes. Blink the eyes slowly few times in dark under the palms. Slowly slide the hands down over the face, gently open the eyes. We'll start with some light exercise. Inhale, raise both hands up, stretch the upper body upward. Exhale, twist the upper body to the one side. Look back, align chin with the shoulder, keep pushing the knee forward. Feel the twist, feel the stretches. Inhale, back to center. Onto the other side. Try to keep trunk vertical, back straight. We are just twisting the upper body. Inhale, back to center. We'll do one more time, both the sides. 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhale, back to center and complete onto the other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come back, extend both hands sideways. Drop the right hand down on the floor wherever it reaches. Left hand up as we exhale. Bend towards the right side, sideways. Keep looking up through the left bicep. Keep pushing left hand down. Make sure the knee stays on the floor. Inhale, back to center. To the other side. Keep looking up through right bicep. Come back. We'll do one more time. Come back and complete onto the other side. Come back. Breathe in and out couple of times. And we'll stand up. Uttishtatu. Separate feet, 3 to 4 feet apart. Interlock the fingers, raise both hands up. Stretch the palms toward the ceiling. Deep inhale. As we deep exhale, bend sideways. Keep looking up. Try to keep the elbows straight. Push the palms. Inhale, back to center. Exhale toward the other side. Back to center. One more time. Toward the right. Come back and complete onto the other side. Come back. Okay, and separate the feet even farthest, the maximum that our body allows. Bring both hands at the waist. We will do Kati Chakrasana, waist rotation. Deep inhale. As we exhale, look back. Try not to move the hips, legs. We are twisting only the waist and above. Inhale, back to center. Exhale to the other side. Feel the twist, feel the stretches at the lower back and around the waist. Inhale, back to center. We'll do one more time. Back to center and complete onto the other side. Come back to center. Inhale, exhale, normal. Now move the hands at the back, thumbs on the sacrum. As we inhale, arch backward. Look into the back wall. Feel the full compression at the lumbar area, expansion at the abdomen area. Exhale, come back. Inhale again. Exhale, bend forward and down. We'll use little force to push head and trunk as low as possible. Inhale, come back. And let's move in front of the mat. Slightly away from the front edge. Start the music, mantra. Let's follow the beats. We'll alternate Surya Namaskar first from right side, then left, then right, then left. So roll the shoulders back and down and begin.
भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। मरीचय नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। भास्कराय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। मरीचय नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। भास्कराय नमः।
मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरी भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्गाय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः
Hari Om, Hari Om, Hari Om. Good morning, Jai Shri Krishna. Let's check up the feet, hand, thighs, legs, the whole body to increase more activities within the body. Add some yogic jogging, increase the heartbeat, pulse, blood circulation, breathing rate. And lay down in Shavasana. Complete relax, full rest. Completely still the body. Breathe in and out deeply for a few times, then let the breath become completely normal, natural. Close the eyes, feel the body internally, feel the body weight, and notice how the weight transferred to the floor. Yes, to the body scanning, keeping 100% awareness on body part. We are moving awareness body part by body part from head to toes and toes to the head. At each point, we'll try to feel any kind of sensation, relaxation, heartbeat, pulse, blood circulations, vibrations, any kind of sensation, whatever we feel there, for 3 full minutes to make the round trip. And starting now. Last 10 seconds to bring the awareness back to the head if you haven't yet already. Bring feet together, squeeze and release toes few times and move them side by side at the same time. Turn the head on both the sides as well and give body a big stretch. Yastikasana, stick pose. Both hands together in one direction or toes together in one direction, opposite direction. Full stretch, 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 and relax. Bring both hands sideways, palms facing down, elbows straight. Hold at the knees. Bring the heels at the hips. Dip inhale. As we dip, exhale. Drop both knees together on the floor towards left. Turn the head towards right. Keep the eyes closed till the end of the session. Push the palms in the floor. Feel the twist. Feel the stretches at the spine. Inhale. Bring knees up. Exhale. To the other side. Knees on the floor towards right. Head towards left. Push the palms in the floor. Feel the twist. Inhale. Come back. Now lift the feet a little bit up away from the floor. Exhale. Drop the folded legs towards left, head towards right. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the other side. Legs towards right, head towards left for a few seconds. And bring the entire body towards right. Stay on right for 2 more breaths in and out. While keeping the eyes closed, with help of the palms and elbows, gently bring the body up into any comfortable sitting posture. We will do Bhramari Pranayams 3 times. Once you're done, then bring both hands into Dhyan Mudra. Keep the back straight, relax shoulders, deep inhale, and we will chant one long Omkar. Om. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub the palm against each other. Apply a little bit more pressure on a palm to generate more urja, make them more warm. Press the warm hands all over the face and eyes. Blink the eyes slowly few times under the palms and let the urja enter into the eyes. Move the bottom of the palms over the eyes, gently massage the eyelids. Spread fingers apart, slowly slide the hands down over the face. Slowly open the eyes. Rub the palms one more time. Place them on top of the head, back of the head, neck, throat, shoulders, arms, trunk, legs, back, or any problem part in the body to spread the energy within. Hari Om Tat Sat Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning. Jai Shri Krishna again. Going to let you all unmute. You can say hi and bye. Yep, you all unmute.
Good morning, Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai
Jai Shri
Krishna.
Krishna.
Everybody to everybody.